T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage. We want to see how she's going to fire up. We were still 1 tooth out. We're going to give it a quick cold start and see what happens. Let me put the key on. I still got to rig something up though. Come on. Woo! Little fire in the hose. Sometimes you can put it out by going like this. She's off. There we go. Running out of gas, but that's it. She sounds good. She's gonna fire, she's gonna run good. Let's make it work now. So we had 3 drive shafts laying on the ground. We went under the car with a ruler. We figured 66 inches is what we were looking for. So it was stuck all the way in, you know, so I sprayed it and I hit it and I tapped it and I got it to start moving. And once I got it to move, I only need to come out 1 inch. So that leaves at least 3.5 inches at least in there, because it had 4 inches in there. So it turns out we have the rear and it works. It lines up. I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna cut this off right around the rim so she'll sink further on, and then I'm gonna bolt it on and we're gonna call it a day. Let's see how that works, broski. Boy, that's ugly. It fits this car, don't it? We'll start with this size and we'll see if it works. And then we'll step it up if it don't. So we'll just ream a little out of the back. We'll see if we can stuff it on there. Look at this. Let's see if this fits in here. I hope it does. I hope it does. This is a big drill bit, man. Oh, look at that. Nice, nice. Oh! I just want to get a bolt on it and then crush it so it stays in place. Let's just see. Maybe even a little bigger though. It was a good idea, because this was garbage anyways, broken already. So I cut it down, I drilled it out, but it just doesn't work. I know I could put a bolt on there, but now it hits back. It goes all the way back and bottoms out. So if I tighten that up, you wouldn't even be able to turn it. As much as a good idea I thought it was, it's really a bad idea because I don't want to mess up the spline. The spline is perfect. When I get the other backing plate for this, the kit that belongs with this, it's a done deal. And I get to put on a fairly expensive steering wheel for the price of like $11 for the little spline kit.